Actually, there's quite a few things that can help you out. One of them, depending on your credit score, at Primary Residential, we have a program that's called our Choice Program. Our Choice Program, we don't look at a credit score. It is a part of the transaction, but we don't have a minimum credit score that we require. What we're looking for is, can somebody afford the house? Is this, are the things that are affecting their credit outside of their control? So for example, when we look on our FHA, on our Choice Program, we've done loans for people with 550 scores, 580 scores, 600 scores. Most people in the market right now want to see a credit score around 640. But there are great people who have things on their credit report from years ago that were outside of their control that are bringing their scores down. With our FHA Choice Program, we have the ability to disregard the score and really look at the credit worthiness of each person on its own merits and what's happened most recently. Something that was out of their control that happened a year ago, 2 years ago, that's affecting their credit shouldn't affect that borrower who can afford a home and has moved on past the thing that was outside of their control. So there are options for people who have lesser credit scores. One of the other things that we do and recommend is when we look at your credit report, we'll do a credit analysis with you. We'll look at you, we'll teach you. This is what goes into a credit score. This is what's affecting your credit score. And oftentimes, with a few small things and some tips on what we can do, we can help raise your scores up. Now, we're not a credit repair company. We are a mortgage company, but we work with credit so often, we see things that have worked in the past that we'll pass along tips and suggestions that can increase your score. Increasing your score can not only help your mortgage rate, oftentimes it can help insurance rates. There's so many things that are driven by our credit today. If we can help you get a mortgage loan and improve your credit at the same time, hey, we're happy to help out any way that we can. If you're thinking about refinancing or you're thinking about purchasing a home, spend 15 to 20 minutes with one of our loan specialists. Let us sit down, review all your options with you, and help you make one of the biggest decisions in your life. We look forward to working with you and earning your trust.